Here are the steps to become a notary in Arizona. First, to qualify to become a notary, you'll need to be 18 or older, be a legal resident of Arizona, be a U.S. citizen or legal permanent resident, be able to read and write English, and you can't have any disqualifying offenses on your record. If you meet these qualifications, let's discuss how to get your notary commission in Arizona. To start, you'll need to go to the Arizona Secretary of State's website and register for the mandatory proctored notary exam. Once you pass the exam, you will receive a score report via email along with your candidate ID number. You will need the candidate ID number before you proceed. Then, go to the Arizona Secretary of State's website and fill out the notary application. Next, print out your application form and sign it. Purchase a $5,000 notary surety bond and have the bond form notarized. Make sure that the printed name and signatures on the bond form match those on your application. Submit your documents to the Secretary of State's office. Mail in your signed application form, notarized bond form, application fee, and bond filing fee. When your application is approved, you will receive your certificate of appointment. You can view additional information about the Arizona commissioning process by clicking the link in this video's description. Finally, you'll need to order your official Arizona stamp, notary journal, and a fee schedule. State law requires it. Also, consider getting a carry case that locks so you can keep your supplies secure. Another highly recommended item to consider is errors and omissions insurance. It's completely optional, but if you make an error, an E&O policy protects you. It's a really inexpensive way to give yourself peace of mind. Are you ready to become a notary in Arizona? Then visit us at nationalnotary.org/Arizona. Visit nationalnotary.org/Arizona to get started today.